Okay, so this is a sample problem from the math homework, and it's just to help you. You can refer to it if you don't know what I expect. So we are going to use a sample problem of 25 plus 17. We're trying to figure out what the answer is. So we have a saying in our class where when we don't know what to do, we draw a picture. So we're going to draw a picture of the 25. So that's 10, 20. These dashes count as 10. And then for the ones, we just do dots or circles. So that's 24, 25. Then we're going to draw 17. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the ones. Just kind of ignore the 10s for right now. So there's 5 ones right here, and there's 7 ones right here. So I'm going to think, which one's closer to 10? And if I don't know, I'm just going to count. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 5 away from 10. And then for the 7, you go 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only 3 away from 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 ones from right here, and we are going to move them over to these 7 ones. Okay, so now there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so we can cross out those because we moved them over. And now we're going to circle this because that's now 10 ones. So we're circling it so that we know that is a 10. So then we're going to write down what we have now. So this is 10, 20, 21, 22. So 22 plus. This is now 10, and because that's circled, that's also a 10. So 10, 20. Okay, and now we have numbers that we're more comfortable with adding, right? So a 20 plus a 20 is 40, and then plus the 2 is 42. And that is our answer. And I hope this helps and gives you an idea of what I expect on the homework.